In the first video on how to navigate AP50 using Canvas, the recording cut off before I was finished. So this video takes up where I left off to finish what I wanted to say. We had looked at most of week one. As I was saying, the link marks show that these are videos that you're going to be looking at. There is a syllabus quiz as part of the assignments for this first week. There's a practice test which is taken on the masteringANP.com website. There is a lab for each week, and you have a lab handout. This is the lab handout for the first week, and it is taken from information you will find in the textbook. If we move to week 3 and look at the lab, there is a lab handout where it says the lab for that particular week. And in week 3, you have 2 models of the cell. One I call the old cell model, and one is the newer one. You'll find these both if you take Anatomy 125 at a later time. So these are the things you need to know on each of those cell models, these particular structures on the model. And then there are 5 slides of the different phases of cell division. So if we move on, after the lab handout, you will see the actual models pictured. This is the old cell model, and you have the names pointing to specific structures. On the lab tests, you will have a number where the name is located, and I might ask to identify structure number 1 or structure number 3, and you would be identifying those on a matching or fill in the blank type of test. You have the new cell model, and then you will have the different phases of mitosis. These are slides that you would look at through the microscope in a more advanced anatomy class. So for each week, you should have a lab handout pointing out the structures that you need to know on the different models that you will be presented with for each of the chapters in the book, the different body systems. Okay, I wish you much success, and please, if you have questions at any time, send me a message using the inbox, and I will respond usually within 24 hours. Thank you.